welcome back to my channel and to my new family, guys. Welcome to the family, my virtual hug as always, and to the old ones, guys, thank you so much for still being here. Today's video we are going to do a first impression review regarding this mole and warts removal pen, and I purchased this in AliExpress and I got this for $12, almost 450 pesos and 45 shekels. It's a conversion, and this is free shipping. I bought this with my own money, guys, so I will be doing an honest review and a try regarding this material, because I have plenty of warts on my chest and on my neck, and it's so itchy and it bothers me a lot, guys. That's why I am so eager to remove them. It is because I tried a lot of clinics here in Israel, and I'm not saying that they're all bad, but I had a lot of experiences, and with this thing I researched that it's not that dangerous as my previous treatments that I've done here. And you know, here it's very expensive, so of course I will try my best with my little background in medical. But I'm not encouraging all of you to try this at home. If you are scared, you need to be a little fearless in order for you to manage this kind of procedure, guys. So yeah, let's go and be with me until the rest of the video. This is how the box looks like, guys. It's a sleek black box, and when you open it, it has a cord that you can charge the pen, needle, and also the screw that you can attach to the pen. And these are the extra needles. There are 5 needles, and when you open it and take a look at it, it's a very small one compared to the other one. And of course the pen. I am going to teach you on how to assemble this pen with a needle. You just have to screw this main needle if you want to use this needle, but take note that this needle, guys, is a little thicker than the refill one. So this is the needle, this is the main needle, guys. Screw, and then attach the needle, and then get the pen and attach it to the screw. Very simple. And then when you operate it, you just have to press this button for like 3 seconds, and then it will show the red dot. It is in the number 1, and then you can manipulate to level 2, level 3. As you can see, it is in the level 3 already. Can you see that with a green light? And then when you operate, you just have to hold this for a long time, and then it will make a click, and then you just put it on your skin, and it can burn the skin easily. As you can see, every time I press this out, the color is changing into green, so it means it's working, guys. Just have to be careful. The tip should be like standing, not like lying, because you can hurt the rest of your skin. So you really have to be careful and how to operate this pen. Very simple, yet it's a little tricky and dangerous. Let's start with using this lidocaine. It's 5% estrocane to manage the pain level. We will leave this to our skin for 30 to 45 minutes, and then I am going to cover it with a plastic foil. Dito muna tayo tatanggal. Iisa-isahin natin siguro. Tingnan natin if mararamdaman ko bago ko tanggalin lahat, no? Ayun. Tingnan natin na clean na yung area. Naghugas naman na ako ng hands ko. So, start na tayo. Itong needle na maliit yung gagamitin natin. Ayan. So, yan siya. And then, you are going to turn on. Hopefully, hindi ko na maramdaman yung sakit. Okay, great. Let me start. As you can see, it's smoking already, and it definitely smells like burned skin. Always make sure to clean and wash the area thoroughly before using the pen. Ow, masakit. Shit, kabatsyag ako. After those few little pains, I have to go it slowly. And then for the bigger ones, I just have to go back little by little until such time that I can dissolve all of them. Just have to be careful, guys. If not, you can hurt yourself, really. Nakipot ako.
It sure takes its first time, but it's got rights and so have I.
Then lastly, aloe vera for my aftercare, guys. This is the day after my treatment. As you can see, it's getting black, but I can see the improvement and I'm very satisfied at all. It's been a week, guys, since I had my treatment with this pen, and I want to give you my final verdict. I just let all my scars heal before I talk to you about this machine. This is a very good invention, and I can say that I will try this one again. I know I had a lot of pain in all the raw videos I showed you earlier, yet I will give this a big thumbs up, guys, because now I can have my spaghetti strap or my tube dress. I can wear them already without showing all those warts all over my chest and on my neck. And the most important thing is all the itchiness are gone, since that's my main concern, guys. I want to say that just be careful in using this machine, because even me myself, I had few burns here and there because it's my first time using this, and I think it's getting used to it. I also would like to emphasize that try this on your own risk. I'm not really pushing you to do that, but I know the cost of this in the Philippines, when you have your wart removal or your mole removal, it would cost you also thousands. Especially here in Israel, it would cost you a lot, guys. This is one try that I wanted to brag to my friends and to my family that I did it, and I really heal well together with this aloe vera gel. And the lidocaine really helps, guys, actually, because some of the areas on my skin that I didn't have any lidocaine, I had severe pain. So yeah, I think that is it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please let me know if you've tried this pen or what's your experience regarding the wart removal treatment, guys. So that's it for now, guys. Always remember, you only live once, so live, love, love. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.